All right, so I have a quick update video. This isn't like a full-fledged, tutorial or anything like that. This is just kind of a simple update, and the reason for this update is that I'm just letting you know that I'm going to be placing some solo ads for my YouTube channel. Well, not for the YouTube channel, for 30-minute workday, which is what I do for affiliate marketing, and that's the link in the description box below here, below this video. And I'm also doing some promotions to the channel itself. So right now it looks like my channel is at 7 subscribers, and I know that people are gonna say, "Well, that's nothing. 7 subscribers, blah blah blah." Don't let that fool you because, like I've said before on this channel, I have other channels. This isn't my only channel, but I have other channels, and yeah, 7 subs. I'm at 7 subs right now. So I have other channels, and other channels have grown to hundreds, and this another one has grown to over 1,000. And that's with not much of a plan and not much of the hustle muscle that I should be having. So just so you understand, it really takes effort, consistent effort to see something grow to the point where you don't have to work as hard anymore. And that's the idea, is you bust your butt in the beginning so that you can take it easy later on. People work throughout all their lives, 40 years of working at a regular job, so that they can benefit from retirement when they're at a old enough age. But all those years of them working is what puts into their pension and their retirement fund and all that stuff, the 401ks and everything. All of that work, all that effort throughout the years is what gives them the ability to retire. Otherwise, they can't retire. They'll have to be on government assistance for the rest of their lives. So they work their whole lives just to get that money at the end. That's kind of the natural way of how things work. When it comes to starting an online business, you don't have to work 40 years to do it, like busting your butt, but you do have to bust your butt in the beginning. And so, the harder you work, the longer you work, you'll get to that point where you can benefit from just relaxing. That's why there's people retiring in their early 30s. I'm 36, so it won't be my early 30s, but it'll definitely. My goal is to, by the time I'm 40, to say, yeah, I'm good, you know. Um, and I'll never stop. I'll have my businesses grow and all that stuff. I enjoy it. I really actually enjoy it. But 40 is going to be like a really real pivotal age for me personally. That's where I'm going for. Anyway, so this update is to let you know that right now my channel is at 7 subscribers, and don't worry, I know the detractors. I know how they think. So I'm going to be putting in some marketing to get that to grow. I have not done any marketing whatsoever on this channel, and that's why I have 7 subs instead of, a lot more. Because I wanted to provide valuable content for this channel first. So that way, when people land on my channel, there is a lot for them to digest. They have a lot to take away from it. And it doesn't look like a brand new YouTube channel. It doesn't look like a brand new YouTube channel. If I did marketing right out the gate when I first started doing my channel, people would come and they would be turned off by the fact that it looks brand new. Many of them would just, all right, I'll come back later. Although I went the opposite approach. That is, I put in a ton of, or at least right now, a lot of content, a lot of valuable content to my channel. So that way it doesn't look brand new and there's a lot to digest. So I'm at that point now where I can say, okay, I'm going to start marketing the channel, and I'm going to start marketing the 30-minute workday affiliate program that I'm currently doing. So I'm saying this as an update because I want to keep track with you guys on the growth of it. I don't expect it to grow crazy fast. It's probably not going to be a week. Usually, when you start doing ads, the golden number is about 2 weeks before like something actually picks up, and even then, it's going to be a slow start. So, in about 2 weeks, I may see a small little trickle. All right, I may see a small little trickle coming in, and I'll do an update video on that and just let you know. Oh, wow, sweet, little trickle coming in. Um, and then at that point, I'll obviously continue to monitor. Once the trickle is there, at least I know, hey, it's consistent. It's starting to come in. It looks like it's coming through. It's, every day or every other day, something like that. I'm getting some more views, some more subscribers, maybe a sale or two. And through consistency, I'll see that small trickle get bigger and bigger. And that's it's all a matter of the long game. You're in it for the long haul. You're watching it. You're consistent with it. And if I could get that trickle, so I could see something happen in 2 weeks and then stop. And guess what happens? That trickle will stop. So the key and the goal is to be consistent. Once, if I stop while I'm going, then I'm going to be in the same place that I always was. And so that's not going to benefit me at all. And I'm not going to see any growth. It's going to be a failed experiment, and it's not going to be anyone's fault but my own. So I would take full responsibility of it. And I take full responsibility of my success too. So right now, I'm going to be monitoring my growth. I'm going to probably by tomorrow put in some orders to start getting some paid traffic to, 30-minute workday in my channel. As it goes, I will keep you guys updated, and I'll show you how it's growing. It will take a while, but I am looking forward to seeing where my channel will be in about 3 months. In about 3 months, I am certain that this channel is going to be much bigger, and when I say much bigger, probably not the hundreds of thousands. Maybe I'll get to 1,000 subs. Maybe I'll get more than that. I'm not sure. I really don't. But it'll be interesting. So just letting you know. And if you want to follow on this journey, if you want to see these updates, you can stalk my channel. That's okay. Just click the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on future videos. And I'll let you know what approaches I'm taking to this, and you can follow along with me and see how it's starting to grow. So with that in mind, I'll just leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just want to let you know, because good things are coming, and if anything, this can prove as a case study for you guys, so that you know what to expect, and hopefully remove the skepticism, because most of the time, the people's main struggle and their main hang-up, the primary reason why they don't get things to work for them, is simply because they have something in their head limiting their belief. And I really don't want that for you. I really want you to, dive in, because if you dive in, win or lose, you will see results, And I say win or lose because that's the mentality you have to have. You got to take a risk. You got to jump in. You got to understand that it's all about your action. And the more action you take, the more results you will see. So that's all I got for you today. I'll see you on the next video. It's Jason. Much love. God bless. And as always, you know how it is. Peace.